Nice to be here with you. My name is Marjan Zupančič and I come from Slovenia. I'm PTSTA and I'm very happy to come to MIP conference together with my husband Marjan.
Hello everybody, I'm Marjan and I would really like to invite you to go to find some creative adventure of exploring new paths within the psychotherapy.
So our creative workshop is going to be about hope, how we can explore actually hope with our clients, and I would like to share how actually everything began with this workshop. Together with Marjan, we explored ideas for the workshop in our kitchen when suddenly our daughter came along and she asked us, do we know what's in Pandora box? And of course we said yes, we know. There's a lot of illness, pain, suffering, and it's about Greek mythology. And she said yes, that's true. But inside, below all the suffering, there's a small bird called hope. And that's why we actually connected this Greek myth with our workshop.
Yes, in fact, most of our clients usually come with some kind of story very similar to the Pandora's box, and it's our job to enforce hope, to install hope as soon as possible, if it's possible at the first meeting. So we have to be very creative doing that, and of course during the whole process we have to maintain this hope, to create it, and to show the will to the client that we are willing to work with him or her also in the future, and try to do some redecisions in connection of past events and their future. So to achieve that, of course, we need to use a lot of creative techniques.
And creative techniques actually are helping us to explore all hard things that our clients survived in a really safe way, which is really important, because we are usually with creative techniques as drawings or working with cards or writing poems. We are talking about outside, not so much from the inside. And we're helping with creative techniques to find words for everything what is hard to say. So at the workshop, we are actually prepared to be really creative. Our aim would be to share with you some of our techniques that we found very useful. For example, OHA cards. Then we would like to share with our participants how we are using photographies. And we would like to invite participants that they would explore their own hard stories from the past. Maybe to draw some stories about them and how they can find then some light in those hard experiences.
Yes, we would like to invite all participants to co-creation of hope during the therapy and their stories, because as you probably know, the definition of hope is quite tricky. So we have to see how participants are dealing with hope, and then of course we will find a common way to use it in our processes.
So actually we are really happy to see you in Manchester, and we will co-create something new, and hope will be there.
Okay, see you there.
See you.
Bye.